Hello guys, welcome to another session of learning with prep class. I am BC and I am a prep class tutor. In this video, I'll be solving questions 71 to 75 of the AQUA Vocational Studies Agricultural Science for the year 2015. Please subscribe to this channel. You know this is where you can get more videos like this that will help you in preparation for your examinations. Okay, so let's begin. Are you ready? Because I am very ready for this. Okay, so the first question is question 71 and it says method of preserving fish include the following except dash: A. Boiling, B. Drying, C. Smoking, D. Salting. So which of this method is not a method of preserving fish? Okay, so of all of these options, boiling is not a method of preserving fish, but drying, smoking, and salting are methods of preserving fish. So drying, smoking, and salting involves the removal of moisture from fish. This helps to prevent the growth of microorganisms, thereby preserving the fish. Okay, so boiling is not a method of preserving fish. Methods of preserving fish are drying, smoking, and salting, but boiling is not a method of preserving fish. So the correct option here is option A, boiling. Check. Question 72. The natural resource utilized for production is dash: A. Capital, B. Management, C. Labor, D. Land. First of all, let's find out the meaning of each of these options. What is capital? What is management? What is labor? And what is land? This will enable us to be able to answer this question. Okay, so the first option is capital. Capital is defined as the man-made asset used in production. It is the man-made wealth used in the production of other goods. Okay, so this is not the answer, right? Okay, so what about management? Management is defined as a process of administering and controlling the affairs of an organization. This is not the answer as well. Okay, so let's move on to the other option. Labor. This is the mental or physical efforts of man which is directed towards the production of goods and services. Examples of labor are the work of farmers, carpenters, teachers, policemen, and so on. Okay, so this is also not the answer. Then the final option is land. Land is a free gift of nature. So this means that it is a natural, so this means that it is a natural resource. Okay, it is provided by nature to aid the production of goods and services. Examples of land are rivers, farmlands, and so on. Okay, so land is the natural resource utilized for production. So the correct option here is option D, land. Check. Question 73. Which of the following gears can be used for total harvesting of corn? A. Hook and line. B. Harpoon. C. Basket trap. D. Dragnet. So which of these options is correct? So when you want to totally harvest the pond, you use a dragnet. A dragnet is a fishing net that is drawn along the bottom of a river or pond to catch fish. It can be used for total harvesting of the pond. Okay, so here is a picture of a dragnet. So this can be used to harvest all the fishes in a pond. Okay, so the correct option here is option D, dragnet. Check. Question 74. Which of the following constitutes subsidy in agricultural enterprises? A. Reduced cost of production. B. Favorable weather conditions. C. Reduced taxation. D. Consumers buying less products. So which of these options is correct? First of all, we need to know the meaning of subsidy. What is subsidy? So subsidy is a form of financial aid by the government to support a business. So of all of the options, which of them is a form of financial aid by the government to support a business? That is reduced taxation. Reduced taxation constitutes subsidy in agriculture enterprise. This is because this can be done only by the government. Okay, what is tax? Tax is a compulsory contribution to state revenue. It is levied by the government on workers' incomes and business profits or added to the cost of some goods, services, and transactions. Okay, so reduction of this tax is a financial aid. It is a form of financial aid from the government to support an agriculture enterprise. Okay, so the correct option here is option C, reduced taxation. So reduced cost of production is not a subsidy. Okay, favorable weather conditions is not a subsidy. then consumers buying less products is not also a subsidy. Okay, so the correct option is option C, reduced taxation. So reduced taxation constitutes subsidy in agriculture enterprise. So the correct option is option C. Check. Question 75, which is the last question in this video, says records of money transaction in a farm business are termed dash. A. Farm input. B. Farm account. C. Capital. D. Farm liabilities. Okay, so which of these options is correct? Records of money transaction in a farm business. Okay, so first of all, let's find out the meaning of all the options here. The first option is farm input. What are farm inputs? Farm inputs are the resources that are used in farm production. This includes chemicals, equipment, feed, seeds, and energy. Okay, so this means that farm input is wrong. Okay, so what about farm accounts? Farm accounts are statements of money paid out or received for goods and services used in farming business. So in other words, this is a record of all the money transactions in a farm business. Okay, so that means that the answer is farm account. Yes. But before we go ahead to answer the questions, before we go ahead to answer the question, let's find out the meaning of the other options because that could come out in your exams. So it's very important that you know the meaning of other options as well. Okay, so that is capital. Capital is the man-made asset used in production. It is the man-made wealth used in the production of other goods. So capital is wrong as well. Then farm liabilities are the expense of seeds, cost of employees, and the cost incurred, all the cost incurred for a farm business. Okay, so that's also wrong because we already know the answer, that the answer is farm account. So records of money transactions in a farm business are termed farm accounts. So the correct option is option B, farm account. Yes, we got it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video and you're able to learn a lot. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also subscribe to this channel to get access to more videos like this that will help you in preparation for your exam. Share with your friends as well, help them to prepare for their exams. Okay, you can join us on WhatsApp by clicking on the link in the description below. Till I come your way next time. Bye.